Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for coming to WeCast, checking out the new products from Geecrack here. This is a bunch of sample packages from Kazuki over at Geecrack. These are the brand new SAF Sticks. Now, what's cool about these is they're going to come in 4 different sizes: a 2-inch, a 3-inch, a 4-inch, and a 5-inch. Bunch of different colors. These SAF Sticks are really unique in the fact that they are infused with the SAF scent. Really neat stuff. Now, I have noticed that the SAF scent does smell like a bag of Fritos, and it has a bunch of salt in it. So very neat stuff when it comes to the scent. Of course, we do have SAF spray here at the shop. Very popular. Spray it in your bag, spray it directly on the lure, and there's so many different ways you can fish these guys right here. Now, the SAF stick overall, typically your normal Senko stick bait is going to be 5 inches. These, again, are coming in a bunch of different sizes. So these are the 4s, the 3s, way smaller, and 2s. So when it comes to typical Ned rig fishing, your 2s and 3s are going to be go-tos. You can optionally throw these on a drop shot as well. When you go to the 4 and 5-inch variety, these are great on wacky rigs, Texas rigs, and these are salted extremely well. Of course, with the SAF scent as well, these are great on a wacky rig. That's how I typically like to fish them. Now, of course, you can fish them many different ways, being a stick bait. One unique thing about this bait here is that it is shaped a little bit differently than your normal stick baits. There's a little bit more of a taper on the tail, so it's going to allow you to have a little bit more of a snaking effect while this bait goes through the water. Very cool baits from Geecrack. Of course, they've got a bunch of cool stuff, especially the Bellows lineup. And if you haven't seen the Bellows Shad video, a new size coming out, make sure to check that video out in this video vault here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Introducing the brand new Geecrack SAF Sticks. Really cool stuff, y'all. Make sure to check them out when they get in store.